Hey everybody, this is Tom. Welcome to the garden. It is the Friday before Labor Day, and I figured we'd just do a quick garden walk and post this up, talk a little bit. Gearing up to head out. I've actually got to mow my grass before I get rolling, but I just wanted to show you what's happening back here before we do head out. I got some fall crops going. Lettuces are going awesome. Kale is popping up. Broccoli, not so much. So I might just go green, literally. So I've got different lettuces coming. These guys need to be harvested up and planted. Things are rocking. I had this little planter guy just drop some seedlings in there that have been hanging out, and they are producing, believe it or not. So yeah, small space, right? This is one you could actually fit on your deck like that on the railing. But I'm just using it for a planter right here on the workbench. But that sign, by the way, that was from Jules. Got that last night, which was cool. More gifts from the garden. Welcome to the garden. But this was made by our neighbor. Isn't that cool? It's all iron. He welded it all together and made that for us. And how cool is that? So we got some good neighbors here in the neighborhood, right? That's what you want, some cool people. So we gave them some bread and some other canned goods. It was great. So thank you very much, Marianne. Thank you all. You're in the garden. Let's walk you through this real quick before I cut the grass. But potato jungle. And I wanted to show you this. You can see somebody's been munching. Lots and lots of munching. So what is going on here, you might be asking? The slugs are going on here. So this is slug haven. Last night, I could have went out and saw some friends, but instead I picked like 30 slugs off these potato plants. It's ridiculous. I've never seen anything like it before. They were everywhere. So it's not affecting the potatoes underneath, it's just affecting the plants. I mean, we're gonna get ready to harvest these soon, so I'm not overly concerned, but I just wanna start fighting these slugs. I don't want them in my garden, period, the end. They affect more than just the potato plants. They'll come on the beans. They love beans. Here you have slug damage to these beans down here. You can see right here, right? All that damage. But I do have green beans coming. They're starting to climb. Starting to get some beans, which is great. And they've been shaded, so once these potatoes are harvested off, they're gonna explode. Planted them late. That was my bad. I had the peas going and we hit 100 and wiped them all out. But they're coming. Down here in the tomato forest, I've got the black cherry tomatoes. That's what they look like. Which is pretty neat. Tasty little buggers. So they've got a lot coming. You can kind of see down the jungle here. Everything's rocking and rolling. I mean, I've put some peppers in here. They're producing. These are, San Marzanos right here. Look at how awesome they are. Beauties. I've already harvested some off. I've got some more coming. It's great. I love these plants. I need more of those next year. I've got some others. I think this is a celebrity or an early girl. And again, I've got some peppers down here. More tomatoes. These definitely are early girls right over here. Ripening up. Some more over here. I do have some onions down in the middle of the row, but they're about ready to come out. You can see this fuzzy stuff down here, like right in here. This is that slug treatment, and this bed doesn't have slugs anymore. So this stuff does work. So I'm gonna have to get some more and go to war on another bed. These are carrots, actually. So these are all carrots in here. They're all carrots. So once this canopy comes down, things are gonna rock for the carrots. This is great. I've got cucumbers are coming like crazy. You could even hand pollinate them. I know all my friends in book club will laugh. You can get your Q-tip and hand pollinate. They're everywhere, which is great. So it's gonna be time to make some pickles here once these ripen up. Down on this end, I've got awesome cherry tomatoes. Look at that. Wicking bed power, everybody. You cannot believe how great everything's doing with these wicking beds. It's just awesome. Just gotta love it, everybody. And you might be saying, well, everything's getting mixed up here. You've got the cucumbers climbing on the tomatoes and everything else, but it doesn't concern me. Everything is rocking. Sorry about the blurriness there. Everything is just gonna do what it's gonna do. I'm not worried at all. I mean, I could trellis this guy up, but you know, there. Does that make you feel better, everybody? I don't care. Everything is just gonna do great. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. And don't get stressed out about it. I used to stress out about it and try to keep everything in nice little compartments, but that's not the way nature goes, right? It's not how this grows. So, got some green onions. These started from little clippings early in the season. Look at how big they are. So I'm gonna have to eat these. Got so much, I'm gonna have to eat it now. And back over here, this is the new starts. So I've got purple basil, some other basil that did not get hit by mildew. A smaller pepper back here that's growing. White pine. I have to talk to Jules. Maybe we'll plant that this weekend. Or I could let it grow again. Let it grow for another year. Get that out of there. Let that grow another year before we put that in the ground in the land. Peppers. Beautiful color. Look at the peppers. Just pepper heaven here, man. They love this self-watering system. If you want to grow peppers, this is the system for you. Root pouches, liner, watering it up. Put water in last night, and these peppers are going crazy. Look at them all coming. So I have to laugh. These little yellow guys, these orange peppers, I thought they were bell peppers, but my bad. These are bell peppers right here. They're doing awesome. Very cool. This one is huge. Look at that baby. Sweet. But these little guys, I thought they were bell peppers. There's bags of sweet peppers at Aldi, and I had saved the seeds from those. That's what all these are. I thought they were bell peppers. Nope. Nope. Sweet peppers. These are peppers I got from my friend Trish and Gail. This is another round. So these are really nice peppers. Love them. Banana peppers. I pickled some already, but they're coming. Some more banana peppers over there. Jalapenos I've harvested off, but they're coming. And then I've got some more of these little guys. These red peppers down here. So they're coming. I mean, these plants are just loaded. You cannot go wrong with this system. And if you don't want a big one like this, you can go to the salsa size. So this is my little salsa garden. I made it late. Really simple. These are kitty litter trays inside. I'm gonna replace that this year with liner. But I've got tomatoes growing in the back. Got 5-gallon root pouches that I'm playing with. 2 different varieties, a square one and a round one. I've got root bags, or root pouches, 3 gallons, and just a variety of plants in here. I just want to see what happens. So jalapenos are growing well. Tomatoes are coming. And the idea is that everything, I mean, I've got onions here too. They're kind of hiding. They didn't transplant it too well, but I want to make salsa out of this. So we're gonna get a lot of tomatoes out of this, and everything's looking super healthy. It's really come on here. So you can build something really this simple. Just take a look at this. Really simple. You can make it look really sharp. You can even cut off these pipes so they don't overhang. I like the overhang because I can get outside the lines. I color outside the lines a lot. But yeah, really simple gardening, folks, but very productive, and that's what we want. Again, this isn't a huge garden, but super duper productive. And I can't wait to see what's down here under these potatoes, or under these potato vines. I can't wait to see how much the potatoes are gonna pull out of here. It's a 5-pound bag that went in, And I know we got a ton of potatoes just sitting under here. So that's it, everybody. I hope you have a great Labor Day weekend. I've been super excited. We're going to the land. We're going to recharge, do some thinking, develop some ideas, some outlines for some things. Enjoy the time with my brother. Look at those cherries. Aren't those awesome? Just the color. Sweet. So, lots happening, but we're embracing the simple life, right? Simple pleasures. So I hope you have a great weekend. Uh-oh. Looks like Karma Dog was investigating my tomatoes. So I hope you have a great weekend. I hope you enjoy your weekend. Spend some time with family, have a fire, make some memories. Enjoy the time. Don't sit on these screens. I know I won't. But get your fall stuff ready. We've got a month, or a little more than a month. You can grow a lot in a month. And then we'll be doing inside. We'll be going inside because it'll be starting to get too cold out here. So we'll be getting into winterizing these and taking care of the beds. Canning, we'll be canning full force. So even if you don't have a garden, you can save food, you can preserve food, you can can it, dehydrate it, freeze it. You can buy it at your local supermarket or your local farmer's market, supermarket, wherever. Stock up, save it. You can do it. All right, everybody, time to go. I got things to do before we leave. So I hope you all have a great weekend. It's Tom from Small Scale Gardening and Small Scale Life. I hope you have a great weekend. Happy Labor Day. Enjoy it with family and friends. Learn, do, grow, be better every day. Take care, everybody. See ya. Bye.